Hey fighters, here I'm again to talk something about stress. Actually, that is the most talked about topic right now during this pandemic situation, and in fact, it is my topic of last social media post. Whether you can be finding it in LinkedIn or Facebook or Twitter or wherever. I have been thinking about this era of change that we have moved into in my last post as well. What is something else that this 2020 year can be referred to? And don't count negatives, please. I believe it would be also an era of courage, an era of shift attention. The courage is to create our own effective changes despite the pressure and stresses of our environments. There is no doubt that everyone's been in a state of heightened anxiety of late, increased fear, uncertainty, stress, etc. Actually, last night, what happened? My wife told me her colleague has been having that feeling of forgetting why she's doing something as trivial as walking into the kitchen. She hasn't been able to stay focused. She starts on a task and only a few minutes before she is distracted. To sum it up, her productivity has gone down. So, my wife wanted my advice on how she could be helping her to regain her productivity back. Well, actually, in this scenario, what I could say that she is not alone. Last week, I bumped into my next door neighbor as I was taking my trash out of my house, and we started talking. I asked how he's doing, as if, "Hey, buddy, how is doing?" To which he replies, which I am really in shock. I'm incredibly busy doing nothing but cooking and walking the dog, except he was joking. Suddenly, it takes a Herculean effort to get anything of substance done. But as it turns out, there is an explanation for this. Extra anxiety caused by the COVID 19 pandemic has impaired our working memory. Research has showed that rapidly changing circumstances, worry, and anxiety can all have significant impact on our ability to focus. The higher the anxiety, the lower the working memory performances. When you are anxious, your head is full of those thoughts and your brain somehow biased and paying more attention to negative things. It is possible that even simple cognitive process like making a shopping list now require more brain power. Now, rather than thinking, "I'll just run to the store," you are thinking about what do you need, what stores are open, and where I'll be finding it, whether I'll be safe to go out or not. But fret not. You can try your limit the thing that make you feel anxious simply by cutting down your news consumption and considering a break from social media. Try not to be overwhelmed with informations and try to convince yourself that it's okay to be struggling. It is hard to be productive all the time, and there is nothing wrong with that. Not being able to work at 100% capacity. You don't need to stress that much. Actually, I believe that my all social media fans can be getting this point.